Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a really cool street rod, 1951 Oldsmobile Convertible. Tell you what, I'll give you all the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest addition here, and is it a special one? A 1951 Oldsmobile Convertible. Talk about a special car. You never see these ever. For whatever reason, they're really scarce to find either as in a hot rod or even a stalker. There's just not too many of them to be found, and we happen to have found a really beautiful one here. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a cold start, we're going to do a walk around, which gives you way more details of the entire vehicle. Now you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to this car on our website, which will give you all the information on this car, its pricing, and also it'll lead you into all of our other cars, which is close to 100 cars and trucks, ranging from cars in the 1920s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. And our website is www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So if you want to see our latest acquisitions, newest cars, sign up for our newsletter, there's a place to do it right there. But let's get into the crux of this one. Someone has done an incredible, beautiful job. I mean, beautiful black paint all the way around, which really, the chrome on this car is outstanding. Me being the young kid back when these cars were new, I always loved Oldsmobiles because they had the Rocket 88. They had that cool rocket ship hood ornaments, and they put those on cars for many, many years. But 51, that's really a cool looking one to me. Well, under the hood, of course, it's not quite the way it came in 1951. It has a very well built up 350 Chevrolet with lots of nice options, including power steering with power brakes, front disc, by the way. It's even got cruise control and air conditioning. I mean, features that in 1951 were probably unheard of for the most part in most of these cars, but it is just really, really a good looking automobile. A little customized headlights there, of course, better to see at night. You know, nothing, I can always remember seeing these old cars coming at me and the headlights look almost yellow dim, but that's the way they were back in those days. These are much better for driving, if you will. Plus the fact that it's power steering. Wow, that is just one of the nicest additions you could put on one of these old cars, simply because if you're going parking or you're going someplace, you got to go into a tighter spot, or you're going to the car show, man, power steering just makes it really nice. Now this, of course, has custom chrome wheels with the radial tires. I mean, it just is really got this look. I mean, this is something that I mean, you just don't see every day. And let's take a look at the inside. We have a custom interior inside, power seat even. I mean, I love it. Automatic, of course, on the column, you know, put it in gear, drive away. It's really simple. The nice thing that I think they did on this car, they left the original speedometer in it, which to me is just really, really cool because, you know, it kind of keeps some of that old nostalgia that it has. Power top, of course, as well. Nice boot. And someone has also added another feature called seat belts. 1951 probably wasn't again on anybody's radar, but in the year 2022, if you will, that's one of those things that is really kind of a nice feature to have. And like I say, you got turn signals, of course, as well, even as I mentioned, cruise control. Now you can find all of these cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much. You'll find all the information on this car, our current inventory, and as added bonus, there's cars that we've sold over the years that you also find intriguing and interesting. So you got some time to peruse the internet, check out those sites. There's always good fun stuff to look at as well. No, someone really did an outstanding job on this car. I mean, I just love the chrome that goes down the side. I mean, this is the 98 trim right here. Dual exhaust, of course. Again, another reason to watch the entire video from start to finish, because we're going to start it up and you can hear how nice this car really sounds. No, this is a nice, what I would call a nice heavy car, if you will, for its ear, and it just goes down the road just exceptionally nice. Beautiful glass, dual outside mirrors, But again, like I said, oh, and there's a sound system they've hid inside the center dash compartment, which is really nice. So you look in it, you can put your CDs in there and you can play them. Listen to all that 50s music, of course. That's what you're gonna wanna do when you're cruising in your 51 Oldsmobile. Now, if you're like me, you're gonna say, you know, I gotta come down to Ellingson's and look at it in person. Hey, we're happy to have you come down anytime. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you got to come down, get your hands, make sure, you know, it's real. Trust me, it is. It's right here in person. So, well, we thank you for watching our video today. I mean, this is really an exceptionally rare automobile in every sense of the word, and exceptionally well done. So if you're looking for either your first one or your 20th car or whatever, we've got a really, really great example sitting right on the sales floor at Ellingson's. Again, visit us at ellingsonmotorcars.com. See you next time, and thank you for visiting.